kune question embuzile ekuqineni. What if leza ake yabuya le 2 meter uzoyenzana?
Umzulathini angayenzani? Yes.
Akuthetha.
Mina ngiyabuza bakunike 3 meter manje. Are you still gonna do lo maphathi ka PT?
Ngedla yonke.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Eyami mse.
Yes sir. Ungayikhaba kanje.
Ingaphindwa lo part.
Manje
Now your statement Sauri, people that can do better with money give out second chances and wow jwetsa even gathola second chance go ipopole. So it means you're not for
it. Utsamayisana go ipuella. Ibuye futhi meter.
Uyabona if ukhuluma kanje shothi elihlapa la tune ke uhleli kahle.
But you look at people like Bo who role model yakho. That's why avela yekutshwala focus.
Ujina kanye like lela Hotman lelihlezi lisho ukuthi bamela sizenzile siflopile sibonile siphiwe second chance. I cannot be the very same Junior Kanye behana 20 asadlala ku Chiefs.
Awuyebo sijukujuku amawala amavula vala wamawida wama international bafethu. Welcome to another exciting bafethu edition yokurecapa. Namhlanje ke sirecapula ngamani. Ngithi ngitsheleni nizwile le kaTukelo Ranti meshisa kanjani bafethu. Yo nizwile ma. Yo bafethu namhlanje sokhuluma ngolangamani niyaza ngihambe ngiwani ngihlale ngiphethe abantwana basekhaya bana bako Yesu bana baka Jiko. Hello Tato.
Bana baka.
Yeah, bana baka.
How are you?
Ke right my tale bona. Ngimtala Tata ngitsengini.
Mara bana baka yona is wrong.
Wrong. Okay, my kids.
No.
Bana ba ko khaya batwana ba githi. Shaba ma 2K.
Ona le ngwana le goa.
O tshwana. Ke le ka mona mara no it.
Vele ingamla.
Legoa.
Umnandi makula.
Umnandi ntana mona right.
Still
100% ona namhlanje sokhulumani ngolangamani what happened usizini 3 ziningi izinto ezenzakele angazi le yamidom.
Usho kanje?
Dom Kob.
So salary go Bidvest, I think it was 7.5. Azange ended at 7.5 because of Niki Shady assist, Niki Koradi goals. So every time Niki told about my 15k.
So move ya SuperSport itlajwa.
Roger and Peter officing, I explain Arbona. SuperSport ya watla and salary to change, life to change. So yada so if unal matata ukahutela
Kahuti still home.
Yeah.
Unokhola buka uSuperSport. Unokhola video vyazi ngilindwa.
Remember kire akitwala ko vet nele 7.5.
Yeah.
So SuperSport baqele ka 19.
Awuzingizibuza ukuthi 19 mara behlala kana nyuku. So uthi ulangamani uthi bekhola 19 SuperSport mina bengisikhola ke less. Mara behlala siye loan seceli loan lapha ku uthaba kunga. Mayoze le 19.
Yena bekethola phi yena.
Bekethola bekhola ukudlula.
Mfethu itsaqeda una CAF waba CAF waba langamusho eksamtsebeni.
Ilikseruma 570 ma account yana.
570.
570. Nerfetsa wina something. Kusawubona nerfetsa wina. And ka iba mphaile dlala. Ka salary kene.
Ulangamani.
Confident godimo. Asitsha ka u renta quantum.
Yeah, tlala.
Tlala, yeah.
So the next morning via Real Bramfontein ko Puma.
Ay.
Wa Puma da Bramfontein da so. Kaofela ba phela dia part.
Ay langamani.
Kaofela.
Majida kaofela.
La choose wa Canada wa choose. Ra khafa la thinking cost about 29.
O le kena da ko Bram ko Puma.
Dia tsama di quantum. Magalisberg.
Lo,
itla ra buka Vieira so. Ya Xavier. Akutla so maybe khutile tsere ba 170 down.
From 500.
Resharp. Agirele ba bang ke baka.
Because there was
But I don't understand because ukhulele Rimseg.
Rodipot.
Rimseg. Why angakhona akafani okay athwani butukelo kanje bakhuletse ko beltlapa la thunya.
Yeah.
Yena ukhulele he was raised in Rimseg.
But this is where this comes in. Go episode in Yaranti. I did say hore, you will get all the education you need. At the end of the day, it's your decision. No, don't get how.
Going back lento lega langamane. Let me tell you something. I think loyalty again. What's why? Because this guy Langaman, he said he was staying with this white guy. And that white guy, he moved to Bidvest. And then when they asked him that what happened, that guy, so we are SuperSport, he said, so don't you believe who maybe if Langamani na stigile to that white guy, maybe Lena ngaba khona siva go bo absa so.
You never know, probably. But you never know. And the Tabatari what ifs no, how does that tusa? We popolile chelete we jile. He is where he is now. The money's gone.
cause before sifika nje kwindaba zabo ma 500,000 indle 3 million belokhu build up yithi iqale kahle ku SuperSport ku Vets I mean to say sorry
and then SuperSport,
uqale ku
yeah.
Vets uyayihola i7 tower ama 2.5 ama bonus uyasho ukuthi angaholi njenga anyone
Athi bekahamba nge-15K.
uyathola uyashifta manje Vets riding SuperSport yangena ilo signing on fee 40,000 with ipay ilo salary it was it 17 or 19
17, 19, yeah.
yeah
somewhere
between
around there.
17 and 19
Yeah.
so yabona ukuthi khona la iqale khona and uyambona makazana uGotman bekavaka kahle by trans should be akwazi ukubona idingo
Mekalandela uCristiano Ronaldo, don't forget.
And
that.
also, yeah, I was about to say, indaba ye-transi.
Batho ke le ba tsama. Like sponsor takes, we are training from Brixton to Pretoria every morning. Taba mngalo leo.
Next na kulo skupa sanke. Next na
Ne diploma ka fe.
ne
diploma ka fe.
Isile le yane.
kulo jama.
And atso mtho khala amflopela khale ke mforgive this guy.
Kulo jama, ngamara kulo jama.
Oh,
E khwaita khala, re tla le
Kulo
sekolo.
jama. Kulo jama. Answer question. Kulo jama. Kulo jama.
Akasatha. Mara plan ke ama. Plan ke tsa ke ngcono tsa ke ditse ngcono.
Na mfetha ngizijokela mina.
O khwaita khala.
Wetsele.
This guy is to volleyball man. After training, utali bona mid train ban tropa taxi go boulders. Pala mal taxi and Josie Brixton. Di mense ba bona stock.
Mina ngumntwana.
So much time ehlisa mfethu. After that, phela ka babhloko blind. Machita
Mina
ka
mangale
peta so.
ngipijila ngamani suri la mfana. Suri naye too.
Kamela man 19 ile kainsa ka ba golf yang Chico.
Ifana yakho le.
It was not because he wanted to buy a car. It's because Bamshilo Bibo nomngani wakhe estradeni.
but he needed it
No, everyone needs a car, but that was a push for him to get
yeah
it.
ukuthi ayiyabona
Pleasure.
yeah ukuthi yabona manje masengicala ngishiyeka
Sengishiyeka
nasema boulders kanje
exactly.
ngono ngithole isikorokoronyana because you can tell ukuthi nayo besides ilo ukuthi pushwe ile situation ne akusi transfer bayiswe ipressure ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ayithi uyazi ukuthi ubhaye nje
get from A to
ivelocity
B.
uyathola nje
Yeah.
ukuthi ngisuke la uyasho beyinenkinga uyambona beka responsible lo kabona imifula mara beka responsible aish
But I think again into, I think Langaman was on like you can't buy a house uthatha inyoko ilahlele next door then the next day uyathuta.
Tsa kitlo jo tsa story sa why ke ditse no why.
Why okay go botsa
Go botsa nna ke batla
Why
Ya ngono je tabe ya no fit.
Ya re fetsa no. Ne diploma state ya ko bona savana
Savannah Hills, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, kada ne diploma kada. So meo kada wa bitsa bo me ba di estate ba tshwereng ba tshwereng estate like.
Yeah,
Sundown.
O check it. Yeah.
Sutshwere nyule.
So kina le Rottweiler tse 2 zika. Yo bona ntse golden black. So ntse le batho ba sa kgona feta da cause no di kgona pala mo di malbota ena di lo. E groot.
Inchazo.
Yeah. So ngozia da ha kgona feta da. So e phela complain or ena kgona feta feta da ntse diploma. So la sister abita batho ba banka ndintsha ba king
SPC.
yeah SPC. Ke se ke le Spani. A ke khutla ba njwetsa ra ntjadi ba ditovile.
Yeba.
So ke a tsona ke ga vie ko pet shop ke re ke lo batla pa ntja tse dingwe ba tse leng gore maybe ka ba nyana ntho
No, di papinyana.
ai tse ke fihla la bona la ba re keng python antso
Hai la ngomane.
ke ra
Akusheba different. Wazi kona go fa ifing. Ulo ka
So pa eno ajo.
no ga rotsa ba ke re ke pa no ye
Yeah,
ko la hlela ga ra go ya tinga la oli cause ko vile ntjatsa.
That's why I'm going to come in his defense.
inyoka
That was not a normal person. He even said, "Lena, like we saw it after. It was anger that made him do it." No, he said, "Babung get it in Chatai. They take your dogs without your knowledge. You're not there. They take your dogs."
Mar does that lead me to
I'm not
living
saying
Savannah
I'm
Hills
not saying-
estate
I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying his reaction to the situation
Wena ngathi
led him
uyakhulumela
to
uLangamane.
no ke wena situation e ngwanka ena gore ulahlela no and then what's am that someone's action led to his reaction bankile dinja tsa hae a ke tlo ba laya ke ba lahlele ka noha.
But that
Yeah,
That was not
4,000
good. Yeah, that was
no
not
yeah
good.
what the 4,000
I'm not saying it was good. I'm just saying it was justified. He had a reason. He was not in his right mind. Nase motho o normal in that moment. That's why I khone o ikhopola gore no guys, I regretted it ka bona gore don't turn sharp. But he did it because he was angry.
so
That's all I'm
uyentse
saying.
sa tlo thutha thatha.
Nathi ba watsamaya a ke go isile ka ba bomo tse ba watsamaya ba ka se mmotse gore manje inyoka ibuya phi.
But do you think as an athlete
It was anger.
so anger with anything
When I was how kwatile wetsang o ba in your right mind.
So guys, do you think manje ulanga manje ngoba sekakhola 9,000 uyasave? Mina ngimfonele ngimtshela uyosave lapha eAbsa yazi.
Don't you think he's got responsibilities worth more than 9K?
Anyeke, let me tell you something about money. Mokhola 200,000. Mina this is what I was told by many soccer players and abantu abaningi abayazi. But mokhola 200,000 uzoba nezinto ozibhadalayo uzabuma 80,000. Sala ngamalini? 120. 120 unika igirlfriend 20. Sala malini?
100.
Usually umuntu othenga utshwala ubani? Uwe ngamajita every weekend.
So ka 9,000.
Maybe lezo zinto kumele uthele petrol emonth amajita malini? 50. Yini babheke bani? Wena abantwana bakini bahlale bagula njalo umntana uyagula ischool fees somntana. Uzosave malini?
Why nifaka abangani ku budget yenu emonth?
Bahlale kumele bakhona
Why?
because that's how
Who put that rule that you must add friends?
You'll impilo that's the way ingakhona. There's no way ukuthi you can make it nje uyi1.
Awukomulisani wena wenza next hayi. Oh.
Sibacela ama-iwa nathi sasikhona bathi voteleng for play of the month ngivota.
Sivota.
So now mase uhola like big bucks uzobafaka ku budget yakho.
Hey, guy, one inyana but let's go out.
Uzobafaka ungajabulisa ishuku uzobafaka.
Ngeke umfaka uTos.
Ngizomfaka.
Ubani uTos?
Hayi, uTos.
Ngiyabuzwa.
Ngeke ngifaka uTos.
Thato but
No, but abangani you guys are saying there's a budget for friends.
not ayilabo bakalanga mani bedemo laba abagcwala quantum no not those friends
Bomange, what when you say friends, what are you like people that
Your
you chill
day
with?
ones. Your day one.
Sometimes
What
ama
if
day
your
ones
day ones don't drink? Yeah, what if
sometimes ama
abanye
day ones
abadrinki
awasekho
siphetha
njalo angithi sometimes ama isawupe iminya upe awasekho njalo phela ama day ones wasekucaleni
But what if your squad doesn't drink, Strugu? What if it's like
empethu
Akuyona.
uzobafunela
Uzombhadalela umntwana icrash hey. Bona
Why?
bazohlezi bafuna something. Nanoma ungaphuzi
Utanakhe? Ubhadalela uwicrash?
yeah
Why?
ile way impilo ingakhona
Why?
Ayo nachata tsompela unempinje.
Yeah, I do. A lot of
hayi
them.
athumpelwe
Hayi,
yamazi
uthatha kaKwamulisani.
akupostela ukuthi okuntswe ukuthi awusendi airtime lapho athi kuphi
You
lapho
got airtime ma Sugar ke motho awu no airtime.
Ay, nawu bakula.
Uyasebenza ungasebenza airtime. Yabona manje uzokhona ukusave and buy yourself airtime.
ya senya save
Ah makula save plazi.
sengifuna nokuyenza lento lena
Ikuabsa.
yeah ngiyovula i-account yazo
I get
looking
it.
back on that episode what is it that made Langamani gore a etse body pool party a hire body quantum
awungiketu ka party ele jo
ngathi nento eningi le party yazi the way ayilo kathi ngathi unento
ene ke bona le di mistakes e baya o bitsitse di colleagues tsa hao da wa tseba mfethu re spana ka ofela be so tisa batho go spacing sa obvious una le mona o una le ing se ke bua es wa bon es hotman
So you must not go party ne. Ojana ndos it by deliver.
yeah
Mchachos ya deliver. Chicken whatever, chicken licking,
everything
bonnes, everything
and then also be body Uber Eats ka dina kwetsi
at deliver.
eskuta
At deliver. Prosa fela gate fela ting cheka camera excel scooter da.
yeah
hey
and then zwingi no saliyo come on
Next na music. Ngina le waterfall nyane
le show
fish tank le barking fish ready.
mara mpeto iteng na kundlu
Auna feni cha ke di building cupboard fe.
marezini yawo batho ba siye difone la ngamano sena le finish ba tlo shutanga mo ba tama boda o ka lela batho ba ntse maboda ko social media
No mamela da ntwengole unetsiwa la like.
yeah bekwenzela yonke
No chisa tire da, no chisa tire da.
lo chisa tayeka
Tshene bangithi amafoni asiya like
yeah bakshisa ditayeka
oh nelecha
ipuka lisawuhlupha na kundlu ngenja
Ke ntlo entsha bona.
ngamanzi abona ubagcwalisela ngamanzi akasaboni amanzi ubafaka emanzini
oba kenya methi ngale no wabona super sport ishalo hacks
yeah dilo di shintshile no
I think no but be ma 30
banyana
weda.
stoko
sho go party
stoko isikolo
Stoko stay.
balana bateng everything
Stoko stay.
And stoko tlamile sifite machita ke.
yeah
Or no will plan B bona so le grand ka da ya ka da.
it's what the swim swap ona mo
shibane le banyana
mawuphuma ngapha uya ngale
so sharp move jole quantum
So the next morning via Real Bramfontein ko Puma.
ay
Wa Puma da Bramfontein da so. Kaofela ba paya dia part.
ay la ngamara
Etito.
Yula. Machita kaofela.
La wa choose wa Canada wa choose. Ra khafa I think in cost about 29. Akere na le 45%.
oh okay
do you think ke ga kenya medi mo ka be nna le medi na ka ba entse jwalo
No.
But I don't think
No.
kumele siringe nangemiri because nakuma episode wakhe wethu I don't think there's a point where touching
No yena uba
relationship.
ya una uyitouchile ukuthi ukhipha amalobola I think ngiyitouchile because uba wonke amasoccer player yenza kanje masesele nge100,000 ayalobola
Ilobola.
kofela tsona
But I think, I honestly do
Baqinisa.
think if there was a woman in his life, hauna a wife or a partner or a steady girlfriend that you take seriously as a man. Because ukacho una le girlfriend mara we kenye mo ditabeng tsa dintlu le di what. But if your girlfriend is a part of that whole process, I don't think there's a woman in their right mind that would let a man bring 30 people into their house, no phones, no nothing. Ikidi trip and pass. It's
Mara
abanyana.
kakaqalwa sisithatha ethi uzwile bathi be empty.
No, hence I'm saying ukuthi if bone girlfriend
Yeah.
ngazithola indle 3 million. Cabanga ukuthi girlfriend yakho bezoba ukuthi uze
Es-
nabantu abayi30.
esona-
Share amafoni egate na ningeni ngawo.
wena thato esinto
Nje
wena
yakanje.
thato esintombazana do you think we'll date someone onormal uthatha inyoka elahlela thutha hambe wena mongawujola nayo langamani
No, that's like I don't think he was normal in that aspect.
wena okay will you date langamani wena
No.
At the time.
at the time think nagana story tsotse na di bua o di nagana
No, I wouldn't. Guys, it's so how are the morals in bringing 20 different girls and then you pass them around 5 or 10 soccer players. Nobody says anything.
Are no phones.
As a girlfriend,
Utashuta-
hey, it's nobody's
Kalito.
girlfriend.
Kashpita so sibonile
There's no one's girlfriend there.
Uyiphinile
Kutho
itsweni.
wona no kitlele wena shuka ki fitla if shaba ngipatla kyaya. And awuna taba lwena.
Ay mara sisithatha.
There's no morals in
Mara
that.
yabona enye into ne. Ile nto besayiringa na kule episode kaTukwele Rand ukuthi sometimes I'm not saying ulangaman maybe imedia yakhe bekumuntu kanje but kungenzeka ukuthi uthole ukuthi bekuyile imedi lezo ukuthi as long na ke thola sike sibatlanga because there yazi kune insider nesithathu especially ezama footballers ejo iplayer amadlala iPirates or Chiefs or Sundowns noma igidla ayibuye endlini noma yenzani as long as awugachelete ahona wetsa content ka wena or ke umunaka she's happy then
Yeah.
masekala ila sekubuya itori zokuthi neke mkhotlela nasabuya
Yeah, but
kontlong
that's also a portion. It's not everyone. But they vele basa minding chelete and the good life and they don't care what you do. Some of us that are very jealous, I wouldn't like seeing a picture of my man with some other girls or in a squad. I'm very jealous. Yeah, nah, I know myself. I would never.
mara
No.
mara ka shongo ne kusushila ngithi
wa jumpa
shayi wipati
ba re boyfriend ayisa ufonela wa jumpa dintlo are you that girlfriend
Ke jumpa le bota ya.
uye kontlong lo
Yeah.
kokota
Wasa arabi phone ka.
Sikhele holiday Wamjumpela
Are you
mshimane.
done? Are you happy?
So when that's why no kasigoni that's why you never lasted.
I'm a very jealous person.
Most of
Yeah,
the soccer
I
players
would
are bad,
never.
that's why usakghona
I would
last, ne?
never accept a relationship where kiyawubona today and then kawusana kusawubona kubona nje ko social media upostile ukoza Zanzibar with your friends and 20 other girls. I would be livid.
ukaya Zanzibar.
Ngafihla.
so mfuna kahle
Uzobona sengifaka ibikini lapho sengihleli phambi kwenu sengithi.
yo mara makula asiqhubeke indaba eHotman ne uthe mafika ku SuperSport do
Waqala
beka
kunamanzi.
yeah but aloku abe nenkinga spiritual ukuthi kenzakalani but uyahola manje you understand no bad decisions at the time uyamuzwa nje hayi izinto uyathola futhi beyasa travela nokutravela because beyangafuni ukuzibona sePitori so
yeah.
beyasahlala la eJozi.
Yeah.
I think if flop liqale when it comes to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, I
and
agree.
my question is cause you ubonile ne part 2 yakhona sibizile uGotman uNhlanhla like Langaman was quiet
Ulangaman uqale wathi uinvestele ya 3 million ngamshanga engqondo ngipsychology because ngiyazi ngihlala umdlula ngathi kuye jwana ngabathi bawuthusa athi Gotman Nhlanhla likanithusa kathola 3 million
True, that's true, yeah.
like that's
true.
when I saw this guy like
Yeah.
udomo
But also, I think what Shaba is saying, problem started at Sundowns. And I feel like, Mina, it's my perspective. Taba e ya gore, the coach would always be like, younger than you, they have houses, and. It's like, now I'm going to do something and I'm going to do it to prove a point. I guess I'm going to and I want to make sure everyone knows about it. That's why we about the party and.
and anything engifila ngathi maybe that was a wrong move yona le dladla le 3M
unokwatisa ku
No, ka se reng mo pela everyone is a youngster but I'm too analyzal he still renting wa
okay
ka itsang ka kopa president or a press skanga sign on fee because no sign on fee ka effects ke the agent imagine imagine 1 meter I said like wena tlale uma 27 290
From 1 meter?
o etsa etseng ka le rest of
from 1 meter
yeah from 1 meter
Ho tla jwang le
ba
mane
chala ka
ba
tax ba chala ka percentage ya bona e tla ko wena mfethu wa ona next but da pampiring contract wa bona ke
1 million.
yeah sign on fee
Usongsona le Steve ngana ko agent akhe Steve.
yeah
So wa phone la president ngijwetse o itse
Yeah.
nga o jwetsa Mr Mtsipe.
so wa bona contract ke sign no kopa wetse so and baile dladla ka yona kaofela ke thole fela salary for the next 3 months yeah 3 years thole fela salary
A dumela le renye.
yeah dumela re sharp wena tsama batla dladla and also told unchild immediately after training ya vaga lo batla dladla yeah da remse little force ona thabeng yeah da
Ke bo khola nga man.
alata ko thabeng right ah
Ai.
basa
Bro,
pili ake signa that barking purchase of ba bitsa project
What to purchase?
yeah mabura ka dana ba sa pele dipalta la 3 meter na ba sa tape
Like
It's to prove a point. That's why I get a because
Why Shaba?
ufuna-
Shaba, a house is an investment.
It's extreme.
Invest ama bank afana bo
It's
Absa
extreme.
bafuna ukuthi baqale i house is it's property.
but Makhula,
Property, it's in- Do you
Makhula.
think ukubhayidla le 3 million it's a wrong move?
Makula bakutshela fanda
Shaba.
ukuthi
mamela. Buza wena ngifuna ukubuza. Do you think ukubhayidla le 3 million it's a wrong move?
Mina as a footballer,
Yeah.
I have to firstly make a research about later the decision I'm gonna make because ngengidlala ibola forever. Let alone ukuthi ngibuy cash le but kumele kube nama bills abhadalayo. Ugesi
must be
amanzi
able to
what
maintain it. Yeah.
There will be a point where awusadlala ibola.
Amalevy.
Uyathola? And mina kaSlam kunento ezifana nabo Betchekasi, abo no
Uyathanda
campus.
iBetchekasi.
Ah,
Nathi Betchekasi.
abo hospital view.
Ilahlala khona uThembazwana.
Angikavu umshishu plamava. Abo hospital view, abo Clayville. Aziduri leza indawo usibhayela istand lamfethu
Udlala ibhola uvele TV isikhathi stand uzothathaphi?
Makula but
But I get it, he had time. But I'm feeling like, what's about when you leave this meeting, go and find yourself a house.
Yeah, Joel,
Yeah, now
meter.
to say a house immediately.
Bekafuna ukwasha coach.
Exactly. So it wasn't his decision. It was equity kitaba ya gore bang shebile jang ko teaming. I'm one of the oldest team
Senior
members,
players.
in the team. But I don't have a house. And as soon as I get a house, I'm going to make sure I'm going to sit on their necks. That's what he did. It wasn't a smart decision, but we ain't say because Nabata proof a point. 3 million. Ula still how long country?
1 week after party avaya.
yeah chaya
No furniture, no anything.
No furniture, no nothing.
Usayine nama contract ngefone. That's what maybe bamtshela na kule episode kanhlanhla ukuthi you didn't even have a copy to show that you have a contract with certain team. So sometimes kulanga money mina when ngibuyele emuva ngimamela kahle ne. You can't blame friends because when sent to ka rato ka serekile bat bayi.
yeah ni asho
And I mean, for
That's all
me,
I'm
he didn't take, but
Marushilo.
he didn't take responsibility for his part. Everything is, yeah, ba jile tšhelete ya ka, ya rile ko Magalizi. He said he had 570,000 in his account. Haba ya ko Magalizi, a khutla ka 170.
Manje saba
400K ew.
udlala lehlapa lethunya kuyashisa ngale. No uyazithola ngaki? Ngiyazi ukuthi uthola ngaki.
Ukwamula malini?
9,000.
yes
But it's something.
It's not something.
No,
Hello,
zero.
sisters.
There's
Hello.
people that have
Hi.
zero right
Hi.
now.
Hi.
There's people that have
I
zero
know,
right now.
but Mamela, from earning 200
Hey,
and something
obvious.
to
You
9,000.
can. We look at blue.
and outside
Akusizi.
yazi enye into le ku Sundowns they know imali khona uyathola and there's no way ukuthi ku Sundowns akunabantu abancedayo
There's no way.
when it comes
Nami,
to
I
ama financial
disagree. There's
decisions
no way.
ukuthi bantshela ukuthi
Mina
yenza so
bathu
you have to
ababatha
do this.
uthusiwa.
Hababa, no, let's like get
Do you think kulangamani
Still-
wena megafuna ukusizwa ngokuthi abiza abantu abangaka yenza iparty abiza
No, at that time, no, because he was on top of the world. Nele lifatsela high.
rockstar.
Ejo
He was
and then
on
into
top of
yazini
the
makhula
world.
because umzwila thini if it's outloka hayi nikunale bo ma 400 and something ku account ya tla salary o sa tla lizaka ya ing yayibona ukuthi le situation lezifake icatshulweni zakhe ne ilento ukuthi la noma ngamosha
Izobuya,
clip
izobuya.
or 500 tower sengibalile ukuthi
And ushilo
1 2 3 4 5
can go back ushilo wathi I knew go kena zaka
Exactly.
yo
yeah so buyile selibuyile akute PSY bona
100.
kusetsi ka bo matipa yeah
no ke a tseba re sometimes go tsa mo
yeah
se tsa clipa gafa la quantum jam gafa le bona se ba vaya da so ke make sure ba va cre and bona ke thola ona next regret
I feel normal
next lo malo ka ra tsa next
Eventually umjidenzeni.
Noma ngayiceda le next month ngiyothola the exact same amount. That's why when he said he came back from Magali's, there were no regrets.
So when does your boyfriend tells you khola bakae?
No. I don't need to know. As long as my things are taken care of, I don't need to know.
But
Do you think it's-
but you advise him like
No, he's,
financially.
advise
I don't need
no.
I don't need to advise him. He's very responsible. Ubona umuntu uyaphila ngakhona ukuthi responsible. He doesn't care about brands and impressing people. He doesn't have friends. So
Ananda bana brand.
no.
Ubani?
Umuntu uzababhiya Gucci from head to toe. My man does not do that.
Shama take with spring.
No, sharp. Right, so chilled. Lifestyle like whatever that he can afford, and I don't need to advise him. But when as a friend, udutile man so ubona ho spend 400,000 go tripping. I wouldn't advise him.
What's that carrying?
Angeke umtshele next.
Yes, yenye. Akathokole ngeke ukhiso iqhaqha naleyo.
Ngeke umtshele.
Wena una noka ukabutsa motho le top of the world. Uli down.
That's what I'm
Listen,
saying.
wabona go duthi jwang. Sheba mthotho re ngitshelete. Yibo. And then kiyo sjuku. Advise them to.
So udim.
Good.
Hey, but that's the thing also with them bottling the money. Abana a good
And uthi bekana ko ka
Company is terrible.
Ngiphiyo kubhudla imali. Ichere ne asifuni.
Uzwile batshela pha. Chato utlwa ka mo kena ka mo atlwa ka yo kena ka mo.
and awubuyi. You don't ask questions.
Siyazenzela. Siyazenzela.
Kuleyo party.
Umfethu.
Mongayi.
Kube namanje. Ejo, yazi enye into nemakhula. Nge story saka Hotman Ulanga ne. Kune question embuzile ekucineni. What if leza ke yabuya? Le teammate uzoyenzana.
Umzulathila ngayingani. Yes.
Akuthetha.
Mina ngiyabuza bakunike 3 meter manje. Are you still going to do lo maphathi ka PT?
ngiyedla yonke
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
eyami mos
Yes, sir. Ungayikhaba kanje. Ingaphindwa lo party. Manje
Now your statement, Sauri, people that can do better with money, give out second chances, and wow, even got a second chance go popol. So it means you're not for
Wayipuela
it.
utsamayisana wayipuela. Ibuye futhi meter. Ungayishaya ngaseceleni.
Angeke. Anami lapha ngibonile si. Uyabona if ukhuluma kanje, shothi elihlapa la tune take uhleli kahle.
But you look at people like people like Bo who role model yakho. That's why avela yekutshwala focus.
Ujina kanye. Like lela Hotman lelihlezi lisho ukuthi bamela sizenzile siflopile sibonile siphiwe second chance. I cannot be the very same junior kanye behana 20 asadlala ku Chiefs.
So no Langaman anyeke abe the very same Langaman loya nebamncisha lift.
But utshelile 99 ukuthi uzoyidla yena
Mina
uzayipopol.
sikhulumela. This time he knows who to fetch.
And also ne
This time
outside
most so we uyazi kumele ulande bani.
outside what's what ona le say ebare dilo tsa depression ko guys ke bare ha depression into zabelungu. I think anything that has to do with your mental issues what asinandaba mabuye kasi, you understand?
Yeah.
Trust me outside most of our former footballers bana lento ukuthi they don't want to acknowledge abafuna ukuzikhumula bathi yazini mina ngiyakhawateka ngifuna ukuba umuntu oso ngicela ningincedeni because Junior Kanye once said something athi yabona le gama leli lisemuva yile likhulumela yonkinto mawucala wathi mina ngushaba sebayazi lento abedlala ku Chief bemnandi asimgayini isipana
Yeah.
but mawufika la ku podcast ku Trap and Pass uthi hayi mina into zami zisase grand ngisase nendlu but we know ukuthi ubloma nathi kasi kusashuba kenzakalani ubani uzofuna ukusipana nawo cause wena ufike podcastini wathi grand but mawuzikhulula uvuma ubatshela ukuthi yazini mina ngiyakhala bazokunceda abantu nje.
So that's why ngithi no Langaman ngeke umblame uthi uqeda imali ngiyijira. Langaman uqeda imali ngabo because umeka
Kuse nasa Spanish.
wena ke ba feng banyana ba ringa o fetsa kena kamo. Kamo kena kamo. But that's when I realized that most of the soccer players are very dumb. After lapho ngiceda ukumshange mind game. Ha a go investile ka 3 million episode ya setse tofela ring o tsana ke batla qale kae ke batla qale okay sharp taba yadlala since o bile go wena pitso kwatetse eng you never explain to people what happened to the house and wena phela batho itse o pele dlala cash
yeah
sharp please explain
no president Tsepe umbayitse dlala cash
okay
azange rena ke bayile cash
oh okay
umbayitse lona so taba yadlala the last it's like bona into change ko Sundowns the year before ke tlotsa ma ko Sundowns then I started realizing already into their change so I decided to sell the house and then let 3 meter investor somewhere else so I've got evidence eka supporting the solo thing can evidence I think is more enough eka supporting take
in terms of
the money
the settlement
solos.
Okay, let me understand. Settlement you signed, you proposed to terminate. Is there any other evidence outside that where you've communicated and they said
Yes.
bawukolota
Yes.
meeting.
Yeah.
And how long ago was that?
2 years back.
It's something to look at because one thing I know is that cases they prescribe after 3 years.
Interesting.
o batla eng
Tiletela.
batla tšhelete
A rena le dilipi ko
But
email.
now him saying, if he got the money, he would popotla it again. Ne? I think there's a lot of people like that. Ntho ya gore ba itse ke wile, ba itse this, ba itse that, kilo ba bontsha gore ha.
Ai awusakhona
o kgutlile.
ubabonisa ka round 2 ubheka sithando sami round 2 inzima awusakhona ukubabonisa yes olenile phela mo uqala uphatha imali okokuqala uba ne fake love uba
Awu
nabangani
ba le dichomi.
hayi phela kumele
Awa.
basplithe for those friends they need to split over 2 years kancane ushawa umoya kule 2 years empethe ngitshela noma une allergy ye pumpkin eyozayidla pumpkin
Mara ba gutla di fake friends al chutele teng. They'll come back.
ka round 2 atsa gutla ama fake friends round 2
Ah,
hayi ayahamba
Ah, bavazi sithando.
hawu
Bavaya. Like baqala kancane mase icala imali yaphela entwana ke thotse span ku Limpopo. Gone.
ngami urelocate sa
Omunye emfana sekudula le medi. Gone.
You want to say gore wena ha no ploma le soccer player, you had more friends at that time.
yo
Ebedi wa ke.
di tapping
And then how gutla ko
soccer player
Your
banshafika
friends.
stina ko tsona soccer player
Yeah, but I'm just saying you had a lot of you had a lot of friends. That's what I'm saying. And then why I go that show ya Basangoma and then so look what happened pass. And people coming back to try to associate themselves with you.
they can't they realize that I've matured now
So when I have batla ko wena chumza tsa khale.
Adi yo tla tlo batlang ba tle dichomi ke dilo range farm everything ya ka ikeletsa ka kwa di event tsa ka di ka kwa ke tswa ke tla trap and pass or ke tlo ga one eish a ke go aksana le
How sure are you even gore di chumza ona le tsona khona no are here for good intentions?
technically tsona no
Yeah.
aksana dichomi
Na le colleagues.
but what advice can you give ulangaman let's say bathi wena uyigirlfriend kalangaman monga yenzani that's those days
Nako utsa chelete.
wena sozenza umfazi kaMuzima Shaba
Yeah, bengizoyitshontsha ngiyibeke. Angithi yena akakhona ukuyibeka.
moqeda umuphe
Yeah, if we have rainy days, that's why guys you put money away for rainy days. So now nana konhlunga ona cruise, awuna finish, awuna libethe.
so mngani wami I'm so
Whoa, I'm asleep on the floor and I have a man that has a house worth 3 million. I go, Papa, where I hid it. I'm like, kiphandile kiya bet. Some people mele ubazele ngengqondo because angithi they are not savvy. So mzele ngengqondo ukuthi hayi asinamali baby, but ngitape something kikadimile ko high, kiya reke bethe.
Kanti le amali lomkwamule lo.
Yeah, khakaza ngithi because ibhobhodle nani?
Yeah.
Akayazi.
Yeah, no.
Ulangaman feels like it's the same situation as Umuzi. Babhobhodla nje pa. Umuzi didn't even know ukuthi uGelbe kathatha imali azibekela yona side.
athi thanks to mina uzwe ngami
Kusalayo beka
so Shaba wena what advice can you give ulangaman
Right now. Ulangaman lo
mina
bekapopule.
ngabayenzeni
Yes, ukusave vele.
wena nabangani abayi50 qala ungayiqali leyo ukuthi kusave wena ungaqala phi because nabangani abayi50 and yena nabangani abaqala quantum
Makhula, but at the end of the day driver wena ngithi. You the driver.
uthe meka sidrivela uye meka thenga utshwala
Iwumnikazi wendawo. You understand? If umaqala wakho akafuni ukuthi wena umgayi chutlipper ufuna itawa sekukuye lo. If you can afford ukuthi
But how- that's-
nali chutlipper. If akalifuni wena mfana
How do you
ibane
advise umuntu that's on top of the world? That's what you said. This person was here. How do you advise
wena
someone
you're on top of the
ozibonale?
world.
Awuna 1,000 when in your account lo muntu une half a million.
But now I need to say how would you advise
Is he going to listen
Ulangaman?
to you? At that point, I think you guys are saying he's on top of the world. Is he going to listen?
Hayi nabamanje abamamela ngithemba ukuthi
abamanje
bazomamela.
ubana bangamameli Shaba
Hayi bo.
ngiyazi abo yibo labo baposta abamameli vela
Naba ngithi imali.
ema wena with distraction yazi ungikhumbuza mina
Ufana na-
dala engaphuza I blame you
Jukwana unala advice akibona.
yes I give people advice mina like mina even before what I can tell mina if I was the Langaman what before into menga advice ngayo that's what we used to do mina and my friends ne mesibiza isitoko siphuzele endlini amajida wakhona ayalunywa once adakwa abona something ngathi kunebhodi lithi clap
But now you phuzele endlini ngithi just
abanye ngithi baba nalengqondo leyo ukuthi baba nafika le ngqondo clap akho izi ukuthi niphuzele endlini ngamajida kuphela
khuluma ngolangamani ke.
ukuthini olangamani into mekumela yenzile mekumela ngabe ahambe mara this guy ukhule kabuhlungu ukhulele remsa ngothuba umngane wakho ngoba uPeter uJames abuJohn
Oh, ngapho sangene ngephuma 29000 alishiya.
I think into Langamani it's ukuthi
Status ubatla provela point mo bathong guys.
yeah and la khule
Everything he
khona
did.
ungathi ukuthi ukhule remsa mase tu nama day ones
Everything he did
labantu
was to
abahlala
show
remsa
face.
baya move
Yeah,
every week,
you were just
every
showing
month, every year.
face.
Nini nini kuba top life top mebasuka eMaremsa bayohlala ema-waterfall omunye mekasuka eRemsa kubuyele eKasi ngeke uzabakhumbula abanye ama-day one kanjalo
and umuntu odla imali kanjalo he doesn't account for it
So
mangatshontsha 50k ngeke ayibone
wenza nempintshi nje ebolweni akunakuthi laba
ke ungayibona
and then never ayibone from $500,000
hayi uri ngivaro sister
he said no, he said on the episode
Kanti ayibhibhe efonini.
Mamela, he said on the episode kunale motho omkupileng 70,000 yaw pay off a car
yeah
and he paid for it 50,000 uyabhipha mara I'm sure in his head utshutsa gore I'm sure ke ibhobhodlileng last week ko kai you don't keep track of what you're doing with the money yafela nje
uzwile nemedi kamuzi athi bekayishaya delete message acima ifone
and awunandaba man I mean
Now we're with that type.
$500,000
wena with that type now
yeah
uyathatha umkwamulo delete message
no I would I've never been in that situation but I would ngibona ukuthi awuthami ipari I would
so lo manje
vakar
ya ke sesizwile bafethu kithi sevala ke manje lani le recap kalangamani ningakhohlwa nina abafana bamendlala ibhola kune Absa saving coach ake nizameni ukuthi uavoid ukuba ne coach e1 accountini akube ne coach enye ku Absa ngiyaniphindela kune Absa saving coach okwamanje le kalangamani i recap sizwile siyakhala sikhala ngabangani sikhala ngamantombazana yekelani bafethu nina ntwana zami ezidlala ibhola zamanje niyavoid namangani niyavoid namantombazana ithi sivale le recap kalangamani thank you impilo thank you manje sijukujuku amawala asibonge
sibonge